Hi, it's Jeff Wade here with stockideas.org. Today I want to just do another quick video book review for you. We're going to look at The Perfect Speculator by Brad Koteshwar, explaining how to win big in up markets and lose nothing in down markets. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? So as you can see, this book is actually a pretty easy read. Came in at just over 100 pages, and the last 10 pages or so are diagrams of chart patterns. The book was published in 2005, and there's a couple things that make this book unique. The first thing is that the book is written in a teacher and student style format. So the story is sort of the author Brad, is learning lessons about the stock markets from one of his neighbors and friends who's a real expert speculator. And it's sort of this, each chapter is a lesson or two about how the stock market works according to this speculator. I like that approach. I think those, it's easy to understand, easy to follow, easy to read. A lot of finance books have bad habit of making things a little bit too complex, whereas this really cuts through the noise and gets straight to the point for you. The other thing that I think makes this book kind of unique is that it actually does describe a trading system or a trading methodology. A lot of investing books beat around the bush in terms of foundational knowledge, and say, for example, what goes into building a trading system or investing framework, but a lot of them don't go as far as to spell it out. This book does spell out a particular approach to trading. It's pretty much a technical momentum, trend following growth stock strategy. It's very much reminiscent of Nicholas Darvas' book, How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market, which I've also reviewed here on stockideas.org, so you can check that out. I think these books are very much along the same vein. Although the book is maybe a little bit simple, I did enjoy it. I think the author self-published it, so it's quite simple to read, easy to understand. The writing style is pretty good. I think, could have maybe used another edit, but overall it's an easy to understand book. Honestly, the lessons that the book communicates, probably only take about 35 pages. The truth is, the rules of speculation are pretty straightforward. And then the book sort of reiterates them a number of times in different ways. And I think it does a good job of doing that and communicating this message without being repetitive or redundant. I really wished there was more book to read when I was done, but as a reader, that's always a good problem to have. So I hope this has given you a bit of an overview of The Perfect Speculator. If you're a little bit curious, you can just hit the link below this video. That'll take you through to stockideas.org. There's a much more in-depth written book review there. You can also click through from there to Amazon and check out the reviews that people have written on Amazon as well. So thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to visit stockideas.org for more books, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back at you soon with more videos. Thanks very much.